got a smile that lights up the screen, with Mr. Brady strutting like a movie scene, unboxing joy like it's a treasure chest.
Hey fam, so today we are going to talk about these candles that I got from Amazon, honey, because we got to crack these open and see what they smell like. So the first one I want to open, this is Vintage Oak, and it looks really nice. They're all crafted in this nice black bottle, which you see here. I absolutely love it. And let's go ahead and give it a go. So this is oak, cedar, and bergamot. So let's see what this smells like. Oh my gosh, this smells really good. It's giving like a nice smoky kind of scent. I'm ready to light this like right now. So I'm absolutely here for it. I'm definitely gonna light it. Let's see which one I wanna light, because right now this one smells amazing, but I wanna smell the rest. So the next up we have pine and clove. And this one is pine, holly, lilac, and dianthus. So I'll show you guys that right there so you can see that. Hopefully I said it right. But let's open this. Oh my gosh. Okay, this one smells better. They all smell good. So far, the two that I opened, they smell really good. It's just this aroma that gives you a feeling of like the spa, like you're gonna be relaxed when you light these candles. All right, the next scent we have here, this is cedar oak moss. So this has bergamot, cedar fir, and oak moss. So I will show you guys that right there. So you guys can see that. Those are the ingredients. And I like that it's a clean scent. It's not like all these different types of things in there and chemicals. You know what I'm saying? Ooh. Now this is a good right here. So this is definitely the set to get because they smell amazing. And this one right here, this cedar oak moss, it's doing what it needs to do. All day, honey, all day. It smells like the perfect man in your life, okay? That's what it's smelling like. It's smelling like maturity. Like, it's smelling like I give off fumes of richness, of luxuriousness. Like, it smells so good. All right, and then the last and final candle, we have magnolia and sandalwood. This is infused with grapefruit, magnolia, sandalwood, and musk. So I'm excited to see what this smells like. And I'll just show you guys right here so you can see it once again, the ingredients that I read off of there. So let's see. I'm excited. Oh my gosh. So this is smelling like a paradise. The best way to describe this is a vacation. That's how I feel about this. I don't know how to describe it, but it smells amazing. So let me tell y'all, this is definitely the set to get. I mean, choose as you may, honey, but I'm just bringing to you what I got. And I feel like they are really a good fit for what I like and what I like to smell, which is like more of those clean scents. So that's why when I bring up things of a spa and stuff of that nature, it's really like those clean, crisp scents. And that's what I like. So this is definitely a go. And if you guys enjoyed this candle scent testing that I did, please don't be afraid to leave a comment and say how you felt about it. Will you be picking this up and why? So now that I've put you on to the type of scents that I like, I'm gonna need you to comment and get up in them comments and let your girl know what it is that you like the smell of. Do you like those clean smells? Do you like those citrusy smells? Do you like those ocean breeze type smells, which is still clean, honey, okay? Or are you more of a like fruity person? You know what I'm saying? Do you like fruits and apples and pumpkins and pies and stuff of that nature, giving more of like a Thanksgiving scent, you know what I'm saying? Or Christmas. But like I said, for me, I definitely love the clean scents and I am here for it all day, honey. So which one do you think I'm gonna light? Because we are gonna light them right now.
Rain is the joy we crave.
So now that you've seen my choice, I hope that this video helped you in choosing the candles of your dreams or the candles that you really love smelling. This is a really good company and I'm absolutely here for them. And I will see you guys in my next review. Bye.